One more time.
There it is.
Thank you.
Waiting for that one.
Okay, this week's goal is get this window in our Ford Transit regular body. Okay, so Cole's gonna be installing this fixed glass window in the rear cargo doors. So it's getting a passenger and a driver side install. Logan, I'm filming. I'm sorry. Please. So he's starting all the prep on the body. We'll show you guys that. But here's a look at what we actually use. So this is a urethane. What is it?
Primerless to glass.
So this is a primerless sealant to glass. Okay, so that's where those windows are going. Driver side and passenger side. Okay, so the first step that you guys missed is the window cutout. Do you guys have a stencil for that? Or does he just follow the ribs? The body line. Okay, so a fairly easy cut. There's 2 layers. So you just follow the second or most interior layer.
You come to the inside with the drill and you put a bunch of holes in the corner to follow your radiuses. And then you go to the outside, connect the dots, use a straight edge, and get your straight lines. And then tape the body off and use a jigsaw with a nice new shiny blade.
Okay, so that's what you missed. Then the next step, Cole went and installed all this body trim. So this is just a molded body trim here. And this just finishes off the interior once you have that fixed glass installed. Okay, so now we're at the install phase. Okay, nothing too fancy when it comes to applying the sealant. It goes on a V application. So basically all you're doing is cutting a V notch, you can see that, and then slicing it off as normal. That'll give you a nice V bead when you apply it. Okay, we got a window going in. Okay, so that's the driver's side window getting applied. Okay, so once the window gets installed, we've got one of those handy suction cups. Cole's now just using 90-day tape to secure it, and it's gonna sit overnight. Okay, so that is window 2 of 2 going on. That's the passenger side. What more can you say, Cole?
If you have suction cups, use them.
If you have suction cups, use them. Super handy. If not, have some really grippy fingers. Okay, so overall, fairly straightforward process. Just making sure you do a good job cleaning, a good job prepping the base, cleaning all the grease off of the body, and then make sure you're set in the right location when you put your tape up. One more thing, we would advise that you install these when you're gonna be around so you can actually monitor it, make sure it's not sagging.